Subscribe the Technical Procon channel and hit the bell icon for latest technology videos.
Hi friends, in this video we are going to unbox the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So let's unbox the smartphone. Hi friends, I am Vande. You are watching Technical Procon. Let's get started. So friends, let's unbox the smartphone with the total specifications. And the display will be bezel-less. Pixel density comes with 403 ppi. The screen protection has Corning Gorilla Glass. The screen size will be 6 inches and it comes with Full HD Plus resolution. And this phone is 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory. And it can be extendable up to 128GB. The camera comes with, you can shoot up to 4K Ultra HD resolutions. And the camera sensor will be Exmor RS. The rear camera comes with 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel and the front camera comes with 20 megapixel and it has LED flash on both sides and the both cameras shoots up to 30 frames per second. The battery comes with Li polymer type and the capacity will be 4000 mAh. The entire mobile weight will be 181 grams. Friends, the price will be 12,490 rupees. And the performance is good under the 15,000 of price. In this mobile the sensors comes with light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass and the gyroscope. And the fingerprint sensor will be available in this smartphone. This is the best price under 15,000 rupees. Friends, hope you like this video. So share and subscribe the Technical Procon channel and hit the bell icon for latest technology updates. I will come with latest technology video in the next video. Stay techy, stay creative. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.